Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are keeping fine at home. Welcome to the history class. Today, I would like to discuss with you about the lesson, the Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization. You can take your book and open page number 31, and surely you take a pencil in hand so that important points will be highlighted and you get in. And so let us come to the discussions. Indus Valley Civilization, which is one of the most ancient civilizations of the world. It is the oldest well-planned, developed urbanization civilizations. Other three civilizations of the world, like Mesopotamian, the oldest one, the Egyptian civilization, and the Chinese civilizations, among all these three civilizations, Indus Valley civilization was well planned. Dear students, Indus Valley civilization is our civilization, and it is located at the bank of river Indus. Rather, it is established, located and developed in the Indus Valley region. And it is not in one place. It's a long distance. You might see in the map. In the map, you can see all these highlighted places are the sites that belong to Indus Valley civilization. Historians, Indian historians believed earlier that history of India began with the coming up of Aryans, but they did not know that Indus Valley civilization also is the part of the Indian history, which existed much before, and well planned, well developed, urbanized civilization. It is only in 1826, mark that date, Charles Manson, an explorer, came across the mystery bricks. With that, there was a little clue. Nothing much developed in the exploration or excavation. But in 1856, 30 years later, a railway engineer who was building the railway line from Karachi to Lahore found out that some bricks are there, already there. So he made use of those bricks to make the railway line. And when they started digging out, they found out that something more is there. So in 1921 only, archaeologist Daya Ram Sahani understood the importance of the site, and he started excavation, digging out, unearthing, and found out the city of Harappa. He found out the city of Harappa. Mohenjo-daro was found by Rakhal Das Banerjee in 1922. And so slowly later on till today excavations are going on regarding the what called Indus Valley civilization. And so it is now confirmed that Indus Valley civilizations preceded the Aryans. Underline that. Preceded. That means came before Aryans. Please take page number 32. Sources. How do we know? What are the sources? In fact, one source is excavation, digging out of the bricks. That was one of the sources. The sources which help us to understand the Indus Valley civilization are the archaeological and structural remains. Archaeological sources. The artifacts and material remains such as grain husk, cloth pieces, amulets, etc. All these are the signs that the civilization already existed. There is a description, what called seals. There are seals and written scripts which has not been deciphered though, but they all tell us that an urban civilization grew here in Indus Valley region. Confirmed. Next one is the sites. Where do we get those sites? Where are the places that are there? Mohenjo-daro, which means the mound of dead, was one of the biggest sites of these civilizations. Now, mound of the dead. That means the dead people are put one after the other and made a heap of dead persons, dead people. And so, Mohenjo-daro, it is believed, dear students, that there was a big flood that took away, washed away the whole civilization. One reason. Second reason, which is not there, it is there was a fight. There was a fight, big war, and the people of Indus Valley civilizations were killed and put in a well, all dumped in a well, thrown into the well. Now, these are all hypothetical. That means they are not sure. They are not sure evidence. And so, we cannot really say. But, there is some truth in it. And so, these are the mound of dead. Next one is, it is located at the bank of river Indus in Larkana district, Sindh. Now it is in Pakistan. Harappa is situated on the banks of river Ravi in Montgomery district on West Punjab. This also is in Pakistan. Further excavation revealed that this civilization extended beyond Indus Valley civilization, in northern and western India. Some notable sites: Lothal in Gujarat, Ropar in Punjab, Kalibagan in Rajasthan, Alimgarh in Uttar Pradesh, and Surkodata, Gujarat, Banwali, Haryana. Until date, 2,800 places have been discovered, thus making the Indus Valley civilization the largest civilizations in the ancient world. The principal sites of the civilizations were discovered around the river Indus and its tributaries. This is the reason it is referred to as Indus Valley civilizations. The word Indus Valley civilization, also known as Harappan civilizations, since Harappa was the first site to be discovered or excavated. And so these are the things that I wanted to discuss now. Second part of our class through this small video will be about the life of the people of Indus Valley. What kind of life they led and all that we will see in the next video. So till then, remain safe. Bye.